G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today I'm joined live via satellite with special guest...
Hey everyone, Anae Paris here, and today we are making an Infinite Skies cocktail. This recipe calls for vodka, blue Curacao, grenadine and lemonade.
Add some ice into a glass and then add 1 shot of vodka, 1/4 shot of blue Curacao, a squirt of grenadine.
Hey Troy, can I say something?
Yes!
So Infinite Skies has a gig on Friday the 13th of December at Lincoln Pin in Woy Woy with Zipper Clone, Trojan Guns, High Life and of course us, right? Anyway, all the fun starts at 7 p.m. Can't wait. Hope to see you there.
And then top up with some lemonade or Sprite. Garnish with a snake lolly. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. Before we see you next time, note that this gig is my band's last gig for the year as well. We'll be second on playing for 30 minutes. See you next time.